Hello, everybody. It is Monday, July 5th, 2021. Happy Independence Day and happy 245th birthday, America. So right now we're going to take a look at the Transform 66 project from the Fairfax County Parkway all the way to the Beltway, eastbound. I did want to start at 28, but there was a wreck on 66 East. What a surprise, causing a massive backup, so we got to start here today. So you can't really tell because I started here, but all the beams for the bridges, for the widening happening at Fairfax County Parkway have been set in place. Look on the left there, you can see where they've torn up all the old concrete part of 66 and they're crushing it into little tiny rocks. I don't know if they're reusing them or they're just taking them away, but they're crushing up all the old concrete parts of the road. You can see we've got some new pavement here. You have a lot of upcoming traffic shifts where they're going to be shifting the bulk of the traffic onto these new outer portions of the roadway so they can start working on demolishing the old concrete sections and repaving them in asphalt and transforming them into the express lanes. So we will have 2 express lanes and then 3 general purpose lanes from Gainesville all the way to the Beltway. They also recently shifted all traffic on the 50 westbound from the old bridge to the new bridge over 66, and they've started demolishing the old 50 westbound bridge. They're going to be doing the same for 50 eastbound in a couple of weeks. Westbound bridge, I've already started tearing it apart. Germantown Road Bridge up here. This opened not too long ago, and then they tore down the old one, and now they're working on building the rest of that bridge. It's going to be extra wide from when they actually widened Germantown Road. If you look on the left, you can see where part of that trail is that's going to run alongside 66 the whole way, almost the whole way of this project. You can see the 123 bridges up here. old bridge has been completely demolished except for those columns there in the median. They're still working on one half of the bridge, but they got all the beams up in place, and they're working on the deck now. Eventually, everything will be shifted onto this side, I believe. They did this so they can work on in the middle there, laying down asphalt for the new express lanes. See, we got some new poles up. I believe eventually there'll be street lights there, and they've got some new traffic camera poles up as well. Another traffic camera pull up right there. You can see here at Baden Drive where they started working on the express lanes ramps. Glad they got rid of that ugly metal noise wall right here. Decided to replace it with a new one. Approaching the Beltway now. See where they're working on that flyover ramp right there. And of course we'll hit a little bit of traffic right here as always happens. got to lift the beams in place over on this side. We've got a lot of the beams lifted in place on the other side. I'll do another video of the westbound stuff. Upload that one later. You can see one of the big flyover ramps right there. Alright, and that's the end of the Transform 66 project on the eastbound side here. So, thanks for watching. I'll have to upload another video later as more progress happens. So, like and subscribe for more. And thanks for watching.